To install an agriculture drone with G630, the following parts are required: draw frame and spreading system, spray system, motor set, control system, power system, and some necessary tools. Accessories welding. Before assembling the draw frame, it is necessary to weld the motors, can hub module, PMU, water pump, and camera. Install the draw frame. Open the packages. Take out the arms, bending legs, tank, and the draw body. Step 1. Remove the front and the rear cover, as well as the waterproof bolts. Step 2. Turn over the draw body. Insert the inner liner. Place the liner holes, and then fix the draw legs one by one. Step 3. Install 4 oblique T's. Note the hose is horizontally inward. Step 4. Insert the radar crossbar into the oblique T and fix the lower screw slightly. Step 5. Insert the crossbars of the bending leg. Note the screw holes and fix the screw slightly. Step 6. Turn over the frame. Adjust the position of the radar crossbar. Make sure the distance is 9 cm. Adjust the height of the front and the rear radar bars in 10. Then fix the screws and press the draw frame to level it, and then fix the screws at the crossbar T. Install draw arms and motors. Step 1. Install the front and the rear threaded part. Fix the upper screws and the lower screws. Step 2. Install 6 arms, align the holes and fix them. Then put the locking caps, water clamps, and the spring boom fixing parts in the 4 arms. Step 3. First, distinguish the motor's code. Take the location of the camera as the nose from left to right, M1 to M6. CW motor are installed at M2, M4, and M6, and CCW should match the M1, M3, and M5. Pass the power cable and the signal cable through the arm and into the center, and fix the power slightly to avoid falling off. Install the spring system. Step 1. To install the Y-top double nozzle, please note the position, long load and short load, and then fix the knob on spring fixing part. Step 2. Install the water pump. Place the screws and washers in the water pump holes and fix them on the front frame. Please note the water pump, the joint at the guard hole. Insert the power cable and the signal and insert them with the body into the distribution box. Step 3. To install the water pipe. First, install 4 iron-type clamps on the frame. Then use a water pipe to connect the outlet of the pump, and use the T-shaped T to connect another short pipe. Extend the water pipe through a new T-shape and pass through the I-shaped clamp, and then clamp it on the M2, M6 arms, and then insert into the Y-type nozzle. Next, connect the water pipe at the free T-shaped nozzle T. Lead it from the front to the rear. Pass through the I-top pipe clamp and insert into the M3, M5 pipe clamp. Step 4. Use a short water pipe to connect the inlet of the water pump. Then connect it into the flow meter, and then use a long water pneumatic connector at the bottom of the tank. Then pass the flow meter signal line through the guide cord to the distribution belt. Install radar. Step 1. Assemble front and rear obstacle avoidance radars and ground defense radars. Fix the 3 radars and the radar adapter plate together. Then fix the front obstacle avoidance and the ground defense radar adapter on the 1 radar adapter. And finally, fix the rear obstacle avoidance radar adapter plate under the radar adapter. Step 2. Install the front obstacle avoidance and the ground defense on radar crossbar at the draw head. Remove the radar crossbar. Insert it into the radar adapter plane horizontally. Replace and fix the screws. Then install the rear obstacle avoidance radar. Install flight control. Step 1. Remove the flight control mounting plate. Fix the main control with 3M glue and insert the M1 M1 to M6 motor signal wires into the corresponding holes of the main controller. Step 2. Insert the pump signal wire into the P1. Plug the flow meter signal wire into the P1. Step 3. Fix the PMU. Insert the plug into the power distribution port and insert the signal wire into the power port. Step 4. The 6P cable of the T12 receiver signal wire insert into the data transmission port. Another data wire insert into the relay port. The sparse wire insert into main control RC port. Step 5. Fix the GPS and then insert the GPS cable into the main control. Step 6. Install the LED lights and fix them at the tail light cover. A LED light cable passes through the beam and reach the distributor plate to connect with the LED holes. Step 7. Install the camera. Fix it on the draw head. Insert the power cable into the distribution port. Then insert the signal wire into the data transmission port. Step 8. Set the flight control module plate. Step 9. Fix the car hub module. Plug the power wire into the distribution port and the signal wire into the flight control converter port. Step 10. Fix the IT gun module and install the power cable into the car hub 12 voltage. Plug IDK signal wire into the main control EFT first hole and then insert the 3-meter cables into the car hub. Fix the installation plate. Step 11. Assemble the ITK antenna mount. Install the ITK antenna in the sub-holes on both sides of the front frame and insert the cable through the frame into the PI and the SEC of the ITK module respectively. Then reinstall the front and the rear covers. Step 12. Install the spray tank. Insert the sample tank into the frame and insert one pipe and the flow meter into pneumatic connector at the bottom of the tank. Flight debugging. Step 1. Level the assembly drawer. Use the level to adjust the models and tighten the screws. All 6 models need to be leveled to prevent fault during flight. Step 2. Take the drawer outdoor. Test it by the multimeter for short circuit. If no beeping sound indicating the power plug can be used normally, install the battery and measure the battery voltage, which is 58.4 voltage. Step 3. Turn on the remote control. Open the H12 tool. Click the Advanced options. Enter the password. Then click the Adjust Elements. Here we set Channel 6 as an F, Channel 7 as A, Channel 8 as B, Channel 9 as H, and save it. Step 4. Open the Agree Assistant application. Log in. Select the H12 MK15. Click the Start. Then click the menu in the upper right corner. Click the IC calibration. Calibrate up, down, left, and right levels. To confirm the joysticks can be used normally. Then click the Get Set, and the channels can be customized. Channel 6 set as back, Channel 7 set as PAR, Channel 8 set as engine, Channel 9 set as AB. Then save it, and the IC mode set as Mode 1, and save it. Step 5. Place the second icon on the left. Click the Compass Calibration in the sensor page. Rotate the drawer horizontally until the LED light turns green. Erect the drawer. Continue to rotate until the LED light flashes. Then put down power off and on again to complete the calibration. Then set the battery parameter. Select the home for low voltage protection. Set the first level to 51.4 voltage. Set the second level to the 50.4 voltage. Then measure voltage. Input the actual voltage. Previously measured 58.4 voltage. Then spraying setting. Set the leaf protection to on. Set walk mode as a single point and save it. The rest parameters and the extra mode don't need adjust. Step 6. Click the fourth icon on the left and 4H for the advanced settings. And click the install position. Click read and save it. Then click the flight gate. The second G set as manual. The third G set as AB work. Save it. After setting, test the name. Next step, click the frame select the draw frame type. G630 is a 6-axis type. Select the right one and save it. Set sensitively. Click base sensitively. Read and save. At the end, click the last icon and click the About. The map type. The remote control type set as H12. Spray debugging. Pour some water into the tank. Press the A button to take the spray. First, empty the air in the ammonia, then tighten it. Check if the spray is full. Flight test. Power off. Install the paddles on the motor. Tighten the screws. Note that paddles should match the motors. Then power on and test. Dial the levers 45 degrees down to the center to unlock. Turn the right joystick counterclockwise to check the motor rotation. After that, turn the left joystick up. Then press the A button to control the direction by joystick to check the spring. Install the spreading system. G630 can switch spreading to the spreading function easily, and the spreading system can well work in CAM model. Let's see how to assemble and debugging of the spreading system. Step 1. Installation of the weighing module. First, install the 4-core fixing lamp, the electronic control component of the weighing module, and the millimeter wave empty module. The weighing sensors are installed on both sides of the tank. The long cable module is outside and the short cable module is inside. Then connect the harnesses one by one, fasten them. After that, use the clips to fix each cable on the tank. After the assembly is completed, remove the tank waterproof power cable, signal cable, and so on. Pass the flight control cable through the guide coil into the frame. First, remove the distribution bolt, then pull cable into the distribution bolt. Connect the valve cable to the main control P1 and the speed cable to P2. The material shortage signal cable to the L1 and the adapter cable to the CAN 2. Then reset the draw cable. Insert the spreading tank, making sure the weighing module sensor fits tightly with the frame, leaving a gap between the tank and the battery buffer. Step 2. Put the brim of a spreader into the spread. Then fixing screw and adjust the 3 knobs, and put it into the bottom of the tank and tighten the knobs. Then connect the stick spreader cable to the cable and connect the other cable to main wire of the 1 to 2 transfer cable. Connect the short wire to the millimeter wave empty module, another wire to the weighing module for the precise spreading. If you want to quickly switch the spreading system and use the waterproof cable, disconnect the spreader from the flight control and connect the waterproof extension wire with the flight control. Connect the waterproof interface to the home extension P1. After that, change the tank and connect the water pipe to complete the bridge. Spray debugging. Open the Agree Assistant application. Switch your CAM model. Click Sewing. Switch the Precision mode to Manual mode. Test with the rotating speed and avoid work normally. If it is work normally, the CAM model is successful. Click the menu in the upper right corner of extra page. Click Healing Calibration with 3 seconds. Check the display of the remote. If weight is 0, the tail calibration is finished. Then weight calibration. Pull object into the tank and the error weight in the weight calibration interface. Click Save and wait 3 seconds. Check the weight display in the lower right corner. If same weight calibration done. If it fails, please recalibrate. Finally, click the flow calibration. Create a new template. Click Create. Choose the object name. Say the elements such as the height, dosage, the speed, flying speed, and so on, and click Save. Remove the sprayed terminal. Add the object over 15 kilograms. Click Sewing. Choose the right name of the object. Then click the flow calibration. You can view the curve table on the left. Flight test. Open the Agree Assistant application and enable to circle around 2 echoes. Set height dosage selected the template created during flow calibration. Take off. Check whether the weight changes with the seating and if. Now, the agricultural drone has finished the debug.